Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia, Amhara, and Tigray region is that at this time reports are again being received from the Tigray region that the airstrike is being carried out by the Ethiopian Air Force on the capital of Tigray region, Mekelle. Several Tigray sources claim that for the fifth time during this week, the Ethiopian Air Force is doing an airstrike on Mekelle. Viewers, as I have informed you that Tigray Defense Force has also been prepared to protect central capital Mekelle. If seen, the battle between the Ethiopian National Defense Force, its allies, and Tigray Defense Force continues several hundreds kilometers from Mekelle. But Ethiopian Air Force is doing an airstrike on Mekelle from Afar region. And in addition to the heavy financial losses resulting from these airstrikes, reports of deaths are also being received. According to the latest reports from Mekelle, airstrikes is being done on the fifth day, and fighter planes of the Ethiopian Air Force are currently hovering over Mekelle, and Tigray Defense Force is also busy defending central capital Mekelle. Because yesterday also airstrike was done by Ethiopian Air Force on Mekelle, and video was also received in which fighter planes of Ethiopian Air Force can be seen on top of Mekelle. Because Mekelle University is being targeted according to the latest reports, which is located near the city of Mekelle, and reports of heavy damage as well as casualties are being received as a result of airstrike. Viewers, on the other hand, huge fighting is currently underway between the Ethiopian National Defense Force, its allies, and Tigray Defense Force in the Afar region. According to reports, Tigray Defense Force in Chifra has been heavily attacked by Ethiopian National Defense Force. And according to reports received from Tigray Defense Force, Tigray Defense Force has successfully repelled the attack by Ethiopian National Defense Force and its allies, and Tigray Defense Force soldiers are able to defend themselves in Chifra. And at that time, huge fighting is going on between the Ethiopian National Defense Force, its allies, and Tigray Defense Force in the surrounding areas of Chifra. Viewers, on the other hand, situation in Kombolcha and Dessie is very critical. People fleeing from these areas because Tigray Defense Force claimed that Dessie and Kombolcha in an artillery airstrike range of Tigray Defense Force. And fighting is also going on in the outskirts of Dessie. To travel from Kombolcha to Addis Ababa, passengers said that they were paying 5 times the normal traffic. Traffic shortage in Kombolcha town of South Volo of Amhara state. Passengers are forced to pay 5 times the normal transport traffic. And residents also said that the flight, which was the other mode of transportation, had been cancelled since last Monday. And they said last Friday they have agreed to pay 1000 birr for a trip to Addis Ababa to travel on a mini bus vehicles for up to 1200 birr. They said that the passengers came from Desi, and according to current situation, curfew is also imposed in the Debre Birhan by administration, which is situated 135 km away from Addis Ababa on the A2 highway. Viewers, on the other hand, United States government cautioned Ethiopia's warring parties after violence escalated this week with the government's aerial strikes in Mekelle, the capital of the Tigray region. Washington has threatened sanctions on peace spoilers and said the parties must lay down arms and choose dialogue. We have seen the credible reports of attack in and around Mekelle. The United States condemns the continuing escalation of violence, putting civilians in harm's way. The United States government previously threatened to impose sanctions if the parties in the Tigray conflict failed to reach a negotiated settlement to end the near year long bloody civilian war that has killed tens of thousands and displaced millions. The United States official urged the warning sides, Tigray People Liberation Front and the federal government led by Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed to immediately cease hostilities. The government of Ethiopia and the Tigray People's Liberation Front must end hostilities and begin talks now. Price call comes after Ethiopia carried out airstrikes on Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday as part of its new major offensives to crush Tigray Defense Force and Tigray People Liberation Front, which once ruled the Horn of Africa nation. Ethiopian government spokesman Legesse confirmed Thursday afternoon's strike that the airstrikes killed at least 3 children and injured 16 others, including a pregnant woman. About 2 weeks ago, Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed's government launched offensive in a bid to push back Tigray Defense Force from parts of the Amhara region that they have taken control of in the past few months. The Ethiopian Air Force is expected to conduct air raids in Tigray regularly as its new military strategy. As for Tigray People Liberation Front, they described the airstrikes as a desperate retaliatory move, our losses in battlefields. Tigray People Liberation Front also said The raids were intended to terrorize the Tigrayan people and eventually cow them to submission. The group accused the government of targeting civilians in the latest airstrikes, an allegation Addis Ababa denies. So viewers, so far is the latest update. For more latest update, please subscribe channel. Thanks for watching.